Hi, I am Suhan. Today we will gonna talk about add two numbers. This question is second of this series and my favorite question as it requires to know the knowledge of linked list. A linked list is a container or a type of container which contains head and a tail and also some nodes. Now we will see what are they. First, the head contains a value v1 and a pointer which points towards the other node. Means this is the head, I will write h, and it contains a value v1 and it is pointing towards this node, and this node points to the next node. It goes on till we get to a point where we get a tail, and this is tail. Sorry, my drawing is bad on paint. We get to the tail and the tail points towards none. In Python, none means nothing, or here we don't have the address or the memory location of this node or any node between this and this, and every node has only two attributes or parameters, that is the value and the pointer which points towards the next node. Now we will see that if we have any node, let we assume that this node, okay, let we assume that we have this node stored in a variable, then we can only access the nodes in front of it or which it is pointing here, and this and this, but we cannot access this one as we don't have the memory location. So the advantages of linked list is that it is the operation like lookup is of O of n, and appending a new node to it is O of 1, the same as array. But prepending a node to it means if I want to prepend a node here, then I will make the node in front of it the head. Now this is the head, and here the operation is of O of O of 1, as we are not changing any values of other nodes. We are only initializing the pointer to this node and changing the value of head from this to this. So it is a basic concept. If you need the code in Python of linked list, then comment down. I can provide you as I have the code. The main use of linked list is to carry data. Many operations such as lookup is faster than array, but the worst case of lookup in both array and a linked list is same, O of n. But in real life, when we do lookup, then linked lists are faster. The memory allocation in an array and a linked list are different, as in an array memory allocates to a specific index like 0, 1, 2, but in a linked list the memory is spreaded across the memory, so we have only the pointers. Suppose that if you lost the head or it got misplaced in the program, then all the array elements are lost, as we don't have the exact memory location of each. First I clear it, then okay, I was saying that in higher level languages like Java, Python, there is a concept called garbage collector, which removes the data if it is assigned. It makes easy for the program and us to not care about the data as it is removed automatically. But in lower level languages, the concept of garbage collector was not there. So every data which is not being used has to be deleted from us. If you want to study data structures and more about it, linked list will help a lot.